Today we're going to remove all these blemishes and try to make her skin look better. For that, we're going to use frequency separation technique with Affinity photo. So let's get started. First, open the Affinity. Then click this plus icon, import from cloud, and then you get your photo. Press and hold to duplicate. Go to filter, sharpen, then frequency separation. You can sense the radius. The more you increase the radius, the more it is gonna show. By default 2 is fine and tolerance 50%. Hit apply. Duplicate the low frequency layer. Again go to filter, find the blur section and apply bilateral blur. Dial the radius as like as you want. For me 33 is fine and tolerance 13. Hit apply. We can also decrease the opacity of our blur frequency layer, but we'll do it later. Now we're gonna add empty mask layer. Then go to paintbrush tool, change the color to white. Hardness 0, full and opacity at 100%. And then start painting on her skin. Suppose you paint on something accidentally. To remove the painting, go to color wheel, change the color from white to black and paint on the teddy again. Now keep selecting the mask layer and go to layer option and bring down the opacity. %is fine for me. Look at some blemishes are still visible. So select the first low frequency layer and go to clone brush tool. And click inpainting brush. Paint on these blemishes and remove them. You can use other brush also, but it's fast and easy for me. Now we're gonna add a curve to pop our image. Go to adjustments and apply curve. You can also change the opacity according to your taste. Again go to adjustments and apply brightness and contrast. Bring the brightness a little bit down and contrast a little bit up. Now here we are done. This is the before, this is the after. Click here to export. Change from bilinear to bicubic for extra resolution. Hit OK. Alright guys, that's for today. Thank you so much for watching.